So I came to my wonderful customer in Miami, I think it's Miami Beach, and for repair on his ceiling. There was a damage there which I'm still looking for, and I'm wondering if I did anything. So Mr. Jeff, what would you say about our business here at Curry Paint Company, sir?
So Barry did a great job, showed up on time. I can't see where the damage was, so it looks like a great repair, and he's an enjoyable guy to be around.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jeff. And would you refer us to your neighbors?
Yes, I would.
Yes, sir. And what would you tell them?
Hire Barry.
Thank you so much coming from Mr. Jeff. We appreciate all the work, Mr. Jeff. And God bless you and your family, sir.
All right.
Thank you.